Hey testers! In the world of project management, it's crucial to work efficiently and coordinate well. As projects grow with many tasks, different deadlines, and various resources, keeping everything organized can be challenging. To handle these aspects and ensure projects move forward smoothly, many organizations use project management tools. Pivotal Tracker is one such project management tool that is present on the cloud. Designed for agile teams, the tracker helps you organize your release cycle through an intuitive dashboard where everyone can monitor who is working on what, along with their upcoming tasks. Also, a shared backlog is there to help the team prioritize tasks that require more attention. Tracker automatically calculates your team's velocity by analyzing the past iterations to help you calculate ETAs for future sprints. Now, let's start setting up the LambdaTest and Pivotal Tracker integration. To get started, you would require a LambdaTest profile. You can create your profile by heading over to the LambdaTest website. The link is given in the description below. Head to Integrations and look for Pivotal Tracker. Click on the icon to add it. You will be presented with an instance window asking for the API token. To get your API token, log into your Pivotal Tracker account to get access to the required credential. To find your auth token, head to your profile and scroll down. Click on Create New API Token or copy the existing one. Now paste the copied API token in the instance window and click Install. And there you go, you have successfully integrated your LambdaTest account with Pivotal Tracker. Now, let's see how you can use the LambdaTest and Pivotal Tracker integration to optimize your workflows while seamlessly logging bugs. In your LambdaTest dashboard, select Browser Testing under Real-Time Testing. Enter your website's URL, set your preferred device, browser, and OS combination and click Start. Upon clicking, a cloud-based virtual machine will fire up, running real browsers and operating systems where you can test websites and web apps for filing bugs. Now click on the Mark as a Bug icon on the left sidebar. With this feature, you can highlight and mark bugs using different tools. After highlighting the bugs, click on the bug icon in front of the Pivotal Tracker integration. Now enter the required credentials such as the project, title and description and click on Mark as Bug to raise the ticket in your Pivotal Tracker instance. To find your marked bug, head back to your LambdaTest dashboard, select More Tools and click on Issue Tracker. Here, you will find your recently marked bug. Click on the arrow icon to view the issue directly in your Pivotal Tracker instance. And now you have seamlessly logged bugs directly into your Pivotal Tracker instance. Check out our detailed support doc to set up this integration and take your testing workflow to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to LambdaTest YouTube channel for more such videos.